Everyday cooking, dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing ribs today, baby back ribs today, and we're doing them inside the oven, not out on the grill, right? So everybody can do this at home. We got our barbecue sauce, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna just prep these ribs a little bit. Just gonna get rid of this fat. This fat here is not gonna be any good. It's just gonna be rubbery in your mouth, right? Just get rid of this. Do the best you can. Okay, I'm gonna flip these over. And we're just gonna remove this membrane. Just get rid of this. All right, guys, so we gotta remove the membrane, right? It's kind of starting right there. So I'm gonna get under this bone, the second or third bone down, and get underneath the bone with a butter knife. There you go. And then I'll go ahead and grab it the best I can with a paper towel. And I kind of go to the back. Peel back. I didn't get it all this time, but you guys get the idea, right? All right, guys, we're not gonna do too much here. I'm just gonna go down with some salt, right? Just a little salt, and these are gonna sit while I watch the Jet game, so about 4 hours or so. Right, and then we're gonna go down with some liquid smoke. Let me just shake this up. Don't want to get too crazy, right? Little goes a long way. This is going to go in the refrigerator for the next few hours, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so we're out of the refrigerator, and this is what they look like. All right, they're still wet, so we're not going to need to use any binder. All right, guys, I'm going with this rub I got from Costco. It has no sugar in it at all. I'm just going on liberally. And then we go down with some more seasoning here. All right, guys, gonna give this a nice little press down. And then this is going in a 275-degree oven for about 2.5 hours. All right, guys, it's been 2.5 hours at 275 degrees. Let me give you guys a quick flyover so you can really see what this looks like. All right, guys, I mean, there's just not that smoky look to it, but they look pretty daggone good to me. All right, let's get these in aluminum foil. And guys, you could use any rub that you want on these ribs. Should have said that earlier. You could buy one from the store. I just wouldn't use one that has sugar in it. I'll leave a basic rub recipe down below that you could probably use. So yeah, I use the one from Costco, but you can use any one just as long as it doesn't have sugar, because the sugar could burn on you. You want to be careful. All right, guys, so we got our aluminum foil. This is a heavy duty aluminum foil, right? So I'm gonna go down with 4 tabs of butter. Like so. Then we're gonna go down with some brown sugar. Not a whole lot, just a little. Just adds a little extra. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna go down with a layer of barbecue sauce. Now, the gloves have a little bit of a cotton thing, so we can handle food, right? All right, and then we're just gonna put these ribs down on top of the butter, just like so. Now I'm just gonna go with a little bit of barbecue sauce on the back side here. And I'm just gonna, give it a little wipe down. Just so that the bottom has a little bit of seasoning on it. Not gonna put any more sugar on this. And then guys, I'm just gonna wrap this up. On a tray, right? They go back on the tray and they go in the oven. We're gonna go 350, 45 minutes to an hour, so they soften up. All right guys, here we go. All right, let's take a quick look on the inside and see how tender these ribs came out. Look how much juice we have in there. Let me bring you guys a little closer. Look how much liquid we have inside of here. We put no liquid, right? Look how much we got out. These bones are popping out. I know this is nice and tender, guys. Now, I'm just gonna probe these. Oh yeah, guys, perfect. Maybe a little too soft, maybe not. We're gonna flip this over and then take it out of the aluminum foil. They're not falling apart. All right, guys, we're going down. And we're gonna do 2 coats. Our oven's still at 350, right? And these are going back in. Okay. All right, guys, we're done. Now, what I did was, I waited 15 minutes after we coated them. I coated them again, then I waited another 15 minutes. Then I put them under the broiler real quick. Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And that's it, guys. This is what we got. Let me give you guys a flyover. This is the Kansas City. That's the dinosaur. All right, guys, we're done. It's better to cut the ribs on the other side, but I don't want to mess this up. Look how perfect this looks. Hopefully we can get right between the bones. No problem. And we're hitting a bone. Here we go, guys. That's one. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to cut up for now. Let's give this a little taste. Guys, it's not smoky, right? But we have all the flavors that you expect, right? We got the barbecue flavors. The ribs are soft. Let's see if we can do the bite through where we bite it. The meat comes off, but it doesn't fall off the bone. So let's just give that a try. Almost came off, guys. Nice clean through bite, right? One more bite. Guys, please like, subscribe. Oven ribs, right? Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. Nice clean through bite. Guys, oven ribs.